guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Akshita Bangera, and if you're new here, I make every type of content which takes between my juggling corporate job to my passion of talking on camera. And here we are, not a regular day. Guys, today is gonna be super duper exciting, and I'm so damn excited to take you all with me because we are going to a very super exclusive event happening in India, in Bangalore right now. And that is nothing but the pre-launch event of Amigos Social. So just for all of your information who don't know what Amigos Social is, and I'm also letting you know this is not sponsored. This is just something I am doing out of my will because I am a super social being and I love being part of such kind of communities and events out there. So this is my take. Amigos Social is a Dutch social networking app which is going to very soon launch in India in probably the upcoming few months, and we're doing a pre-launch event where we're talking all founders, investors, users all in one room, and I'm so damn excited to take you all there and show you what's going to happen next in this event. So stay tuned throughout the vlog and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like vlog at the end. So first we're going to get ready for this event. I've got this very super cute dress. And now I'm going to very quickly do my makeup, my hair and rush to the event because we're already running late. But you guys stay with me here because it's going to be super duper fun. Okay, now let's quickly accessorize. I am running super duper late because I have been like working the entire day and it's been so like such a tight day for me that I don't even have proper time to do my makeup and hair. It's a very quick thing. I'm so confused between these two hooks. Let's see which one looks better. I'm not sure. I think that one looks better, but I think this one looks a little lighter and subtle. I really wish I had people with me live right now to tell me what to wear, but I think so.
One eternity later.
This one, I guess. Heavy. I think we need to look a little heavy. Because the outfit is very subtle, so I think that's better. I'll be trying this really quick. Yeah, I think we're good with this. Where I think this is good, and I think obviously my one and only watch, which is my favorite one all the time to wear. I think we're good. This is very basic, very nice, subtle. We got to pair it with heels and a bag, and we're all good to go. Oh my god! I just hope I make it on time. Yeah, almost done. We're doing the setting spray. I think we're all ready. I don't think my heels is visible, but it's confused with this bag, but I think it's going well with the gold. So we're all good to go. I should be given an award to get ready in 15 minutes. Trust me on this. So we're really running late. We need to rush because I'm so damn excited to take you all to this event. See, in a world where we are literally, AIing everywhere, what I mean is artificial intelligence everywhere and apps and, just robotic. We're getting robotic everywhere. It's very rare that we make real connections in life, right? And that is absolutely what Amigos Social is getting in India, and I am super duper excited for this because I'm a super social being. So yeah, we'll go ahead and let's deep dive and see what this is all gonna be like. Let's go!
Age groups 18-35. It's also interesting because we're going to launch a pilot now in Australia.
You host
Yeah.
communities on this?
Yeah. So,
Something like how NAS does it, NAS Daily?
yeah. So you have.
So guys, we are at the Amigos social event, and trust me, the entire event has been a bomber. Like for the past 1.5-2 hours, we've interacted with multiple investors, we've interacted with multiple founders. We're here with some of the users as well, who are my lovely chuddy buddies. So let's hear from them. How did they like the event and how was it for them? So she's my best buddy, Shreya Karen. So out of 0 to 10, how much do you rate this event?
8.5.
Can you tell me one activity which you wanna add to Amigos Social if you were a part of it?
I think cooking would be the best one.
Okay, lovely. With me, Anusha here, and she's gonna rate Amigos for us today. So how much do you rate Amigos from a scale of 0 to 10? Oh my god, so I have the first user of Amigos already rating 10 out of 10 without having anything launched, and I'm so super duper excited.